Remove the marker when the 6th loop is off. Mark the location of the buckle. End of drawing. Erase pin. Let 7 through 11 are no more, none less. 36 short needles. Now we're going to do the 7th loop. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. People keep doing this. Finish the 11th circle. Eleven loops finished. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Erase pin. The 12 turns are made up of 4 sets of 8 short pins. A plus needle composition. That's a total of 40 stitches. Let's start with the first group. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. Fifth pin. The sixth short pin. The seventh short pin. The eighth short pin. 1 plus pin. That's 2 short stitches per stitch in the same eye. That'll finish the first set. Then there are 3 more sets. Let's finish it.如破 hook, then press the mark to pull on. Erase pin. Let 13 through 18 are 40 stitches. Now let's hook round 13. A short needle. Marking buckle. 3 short needles. 3 short needles. Do this until the 18th circle. Round 18 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. Erase pin. Let 19 is made up of 4 sets of 8 short pins. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 36 stitches. Now we're going to hook the first set. Hook the first short pin at this point of the draw. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short pin. The fifth short pin. The 6th short needle. The 7th short needle. The 8th short needle. 1 reducer. Reducing stitch is to pick the other half of the 2 stitches. This is the outer half of the needle. Next. And then there's the next outside half of the stitch. And then hook a coil over here. So now you have 2 coils. Hook another coil. This is the needle reduction. It's just combining 2 needles into one. Then there are 3 more groups. Let's finish it. Finished hooking her short needle. 1 reducer picks at the other half. The outside half needle hooks a coil over. Hook another coil. That completes the second set. Then we'll check off the remaining 2 groups. Round 19 is our fun. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. A rice pin. Lap 20 is made up of 6 sets of 4 short pins. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 30 stitches. Now let's check the first group. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. The fourth short needle. 1 reducer. Pick 2 outer half stitches. Hook a coil. Hook another coil. That'll finish the first set. Then there are 5 more groups. Let's finish it. For short stitches and 1 reduction. Pick the outer half stitch. Then we finish the remaining 4 groups. 20 loops are done. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. A rice pin. The 21 laps are made up of 6 sets of 3 short pins. A reduction stitch is composed. That's 24 shots in all. Now let's hook the first short stitch in the first set. Marking buckle. Second pin. The third short pin. 1 reducer. Pick the outer half stitch. Drawing lines. Add another line so you're done with the first set. Then take the second group. A short needle. Choose short needles. 3 short needles. 1 reducer. The second set of hook is alpha. Then there are 4 more groups. Let's hook it up. Loop 21 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. A rice pin. 22 laps are made up of 6 groups. Consists of 2 short needles and 1 reduced needle. That's 18 stitches. Now let's go ahead and check the first group. The first short stitch. Marking buckle. Second pin. 1 reducer. Picture out hard stitches. Drawing lines. Again, this is the first group. The second group. Finish the 2 short stitches. Add another reducer. Good. Then there are 4 more groups. Let's finish it. Loop 22 is alpha. Remove marker buckle. End of drawing. A rice pin. The 23 laps are made up of 6 groups. 1 short stitch and 1 reduced stitch. That's 12 stitches. Now let's start with the first set of hooks. A short needle. Marking buckle. 1 reducer.